Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a marble buttercream cake. For that I'm using American buttercream. This time I'm using a chocolate cake, and as you can see I'm applying the first coat of buttercream. So all I have to do is a crumb coat, because the second and final layer of buttercream is gonna be the marble effect. For that I need a piece of parchment paper, or acetate will work very good too. I think it will work a little bit better. I'll tell you in a second why I think so. Right now I'm preparing the colors, and I'm doing different shades on black, gray, green, and blue. And on my parchment paper, I start with a spatula. I start adding the color. I begin by making some black streaks because I want the marble effect. Also, I make some blues and greens, but mainly I like the black. Don't forget to leave space for the white buttercream, because we want at the end we want to see the mix of all the colors, like kind of like separate but at the same time like together. Anyway, so next I add buttercream on top of all the colors, and what I'm gonna try to do is to smooth out this layer of buttercream. I forgot to mention that the thickness of this layer is it's quite thick, not very thin, so I can work with it easier. Add some color to the top and smooth out. Put the cake in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna create a straight bottom for my buttercream. I cut the parchment paper because this is a part that is gonna go against the cake board and it needs to be straight. Now I bring my cake back, and I'm gonna apply the marble effect buttercream. I'm gonna lift it up and wrap it around my cake. I'm gonna work on the overlap of buttercream. I'm just gonna wrap it around and kind of like put them all together so both of them have the same thickness. With a cake smoother or fondant smoother, I'm gonna work out the buttercream just so it can stick to the cold cake. I'm gonna put it on the fridge for about 20 minutes, and once it's completely cold, I'm gonna remove the parchment paper and I'm gonna start cutting the excess. It started cutting by itself, so I didn't have a lot of trouble doing that. So just cut it and start just smoothing out the top. The reason why I said it would be a good idea to use acetate is because I saw that the parchment paper was absorbing some of the moisture of the buttercream, and when I applied the layer at the bottom, it was not smooth completely. So the acetate, since it's plastic, will do a better job, I think. So I added some gold leaf, and that was pretty much it. Oh, I added the swirls on the top, and the cake is complete. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you do like it, please give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.